Hello dear students, I welcome you all in this very important session where I am going to discuss step by step guide to create high impact short notes. As you all know, your GATE 2026 exam is very near and it is a very crucial time that you have to start preparing your short notes because these short notes will help you in January month specifically when exam is very near and you will not be able to revise your full notes because full notes are bulky and standard textbooks you cannot go through. In that case, in that time, these short notes will help you a lot. So in this session, first I will give you what are the importance of the short notes, how it will help you in the final examination, and then in the last I will be telling you how you can create very impactful short notes so that you will be having the short notes which are representing the portion of your full notes and what are the common things that you have to take care while preparing the short notes. That will be the end of the discussion. Okay, so let's start with very first slide. How we can say that the short notes is that much impactful, how these short notes create impact in your preparation, because it will enhance your revision, it will increase your efficiency of the revision because it is fast and focused revision. Okay, so fast and focused revision can be carried out with the help of short notes because GATE has a vast syllabus and short notes allows you to revise concept quickly, specifically in the final month, just few weeks before the examination. They helps you to avoid going through the bulky textbook, full-length coaching material repeatedly. And with the help of short notes, you can revise more frequently. Again and again, you can revise the complete syllabus and then definitely it will enhance your confidence. Not only this, short notes strengthens your concept clarity. Coaching short notes forces you to creating the short notes, forces you to process and filter the key concept. When you are preparing short notes by your own, you will be able to filter out which are the key concept and which are irrelevant for the examination because these short notes you are preparing in this November or December month where you have already practiced your PYQ. That's why you are having some experience and definitely you will be able to filter out what are the important topics and what are irrelevant for the examination, and those topics which are only making the understanding of the subject simple, that's why they are included in the notes, so that now you will be able to filter out what are the key concepts, formulas and tricks that are important for the examination, and then you will be writing these key concept, formulas and tricks in your own word. Okay, so this deepens your confidence and understanding of the subject as well. Okay, next is it consolidate formulas and key points. GATE is formula driven examination, we can say heavily questions you will be having in some of the questions or in some of the subject based on formula only. Like for example, in the electronics, you can say that network analysis, electronic devices and mathematics, they are very much formula based. Not network analysis, I cannot say about that, but mathematics is very much formula based. Electronic devices, you have too many formulas. In mechanical engineering or civil engineering, you are having SOM, okay, strength of material, it is formula based subject. More formulas are there, no doubt. Engineering is conceptual always, but most of the questions are just formula based. FM is another subject, so it will help you so that you can easily or quickly recall your concept and will be able to target the question in the examination. Having all important formulas, theorems and standard result in one place will save your time and it will also reduce the errors that you commonly do in the question solutions. Okay, many times students having the habit of doing some calculative error because of the wrong formula. Sometimes plus minus mistake is there in the formula in your mind, and that's why you are committing the mistake in the final result definitely. So it will reduce that error also. Okay, next is It also enhances your memory retention. Obviously, when you are going through your short notes again and again, your memory will be sharpened for that particular subject, we can say. So writing short notes helps reinforce what you have studied. The act of writing itself is a form of active learning which boosts long-term memory. Your long-term memory will be enhanced in this case. That's why short notes is very important for you. Okay. And this is personalization. Why so? Because short notes you are writing in your own style. You know in which formula you generally do mistake, in which area of the subject you find difficulty, which concept is difficult for you. So meaning is that short notes should be personalized. Meaning is that you should make the short notes by your own. Do not rely on the short notes made by others, because for other person some particular topic is important or some particular topic that particular person find difficulty, but your weak zone, your strong zone in a particular subjects are different. So that's why according to that you have to prepare your short notes. So it is personalization. So your short notes reflects your learning style. You highlight what you find difficult or crucial. They are included. They can include diagrams, shortcuts you can include in your short notes. You can include common mistake in your short notes, okay, that you want to avoid in final examination. Okay. Next is short notes are final stage lifesaver, because in the final time of the examination you are not having that much time to revise full notes. So in the last 15 to 30 days before the GATE examination, you won't have time to go back to standard books or your bulky coaching class material. In that case, short notes will help you to go to the resources for a rapid revisions. You can carry them anywhere also. That is the advantage of short notes. Suppose you are traveling by train, in that case you can have the short notes in your hand. Suppose during the examination time, suppose before the examination you are traveling to another city, at that time you can carry the short notes very easily. Okay. So it is travel friendly, but your bulky notes you cannot carry it out. That is the advantage of the short notes. Helps in test analysis. Short notes also helps you in the analysis of the test. After mock test, you can add key insights, mistakes, or a tricky concept that you are finding in the test series or test paper. You can include in your short notes. So building a dynamic revision tool. So as you are practicing the test series, with the test series, you can change your short notes, you can improve your short notes, you can add some points. Then finally, this short notes will be reflecting the complete idea, or we can say complete experience of your that is included in the short notes, right? Next is very important discussion is that how to make these short notes effectively. What should be the step-by-step procedure or step-by-step points, key points that I have to take care while you are preparing the short note. First is your short note should be crispy. It should not be bulky. It should not be like another notes of your subject only. It should be very crispy. Focus on formulas, key concepts, some tricks, and some diagram also you can include. You can include flow charts wherever it is required. Okay. So first is be crispy. Second is include diagram or flow charts where it is useful. Third is keep them organized. Organized means you should have subject wise separate short notes. For example, some pages, or in a single copy, single notebook, you can have multiple subject short notes, but you should have bifurcation. And in the subject, there should be a topic wise mention. First topic, second topic, third topic, so that if it is a well structured or organized during the revision time, it will help you a lot. Suppose you want to skip particular topic, for example, that you think that you will not be able to give your 100% accuracy in this particular topic. Suppose you want to you do not want to go through that topic, then in that case you will be able to skip that. Okay, that is the advantage of structured, organized, and your topic wise or subject wise your short notes. Okay, then next last point is revise from the short notes regularly. These short notes are not for that you have prepared just short notes and keeping them on the table. It is not like that. You have to use these short notes frequently to revise the subject. Then only it will gives you a lot of benefit in the final GATE examination. So this is the whole idea about why short notes is important and how you can prepare the short notes and how it will benefit you in the final examination. So finally, I would like to say you thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like the video and please share it with your friends so that all other students will get benefited from this important discussion. Thank you very much. Bye bye.